Welcome back. This is the regular YouTube channel. Hopefully the last weather update. We'll see, depends on the weather, depending on here. But all depends. There's going to be any more weather updates or not. But nonetheless, we have one more operation weather update. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for northeastern Trombone County, northeast Ohio, southern Ashtabula, and southwestern Crawford, and northwestern Pennsylvania until 6:15 this evening, like almost 45 minutes or something. Yeah. At 5:13 Eastern, a severe thunderstorm was located over Orwell, or 17 miles east of Chardon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail. Radar indicate impact damage to vehicles is possible. The locations impact includes Orwell, Andover, Pymatuming Central, Pymatuming North, Roaming Shores, and Cherry Valley. Prepare cautious actions for your protection. Move to an interrupt your room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurred with this storm and leading to flash flood. Do not, I say, drive in your vehicles through flooded roadways. 2% hail threat radar indicated mailmax size 1 inch. Wind threat radar indicated winds max gust over 50 miles per hour. Yep, that's right. Winds should be getting gusty winds to go with thunderstorms and stuff. Yeah. I don't have let's look at the let's look at the radar. Oh Lord, look at the radar. Oh, hold on, let me brighten it down. I'm not gonna get to B&H's premiere or Alpa's premiere, excuse me, because I'm gonna be busy with the operation weather today. I'm gonna be busy with the operation weathers today, so look at the radar. Let me play the radar for you. Look at the radar. Yeah. Pulls the potential for heavy rain and some thunder and lightning possible too. I know. All that sunshine we had expected, and it's going to turn into rain and severe weather. Excuse me. This is the Weather Channel's radar, by the way. We're going to get busier with them with Operation Weather updates, so I can't do watching trains and stuff too much tonight. Except I have a premiere at 7 o'clock on the regular, or on the Train Expert channel. This is a trainless video, by the way, because I don't think there wasn't any Norfolk Southern trains in there too. So we didn't have any Western New York or a Norfolk Southern train. That's what the premiere was at tonight. It was, and we actually did the when I closed out with the video in Titusville. That's what it was. In Titusville we closed out at. So I'm just showing you what the radar looks like, and then I got to get off and get back on if there's another severe thunderstorm warning in effect. If not, we'll probably be on. If not, we'll talk to you guys later. But again, let's re-brighten it up so I can read that thing real quick. Yeah, it said potential for thunderstorms around Maidville after 7, but Titusville's not going to get it till after 8. That's what they said. So, all severe weather is going to be around the evening, not after midnight or anything. It's just after all the severe weather should be expiring by 12 midnight. So, yeah. All right, we've been around almost 8 minutes, so we're going to get off right here as well. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Northeast Trombone County, Northeast Ohio, Southern Ashtabula County, Northeastern Ohio, Southwestern Crawford County, and Northwestern Pennsylvania until 6:15 tonight. And let's repeat the locations again before we shut the cameras off for right now. Includes Orwell, Andover, Pymatuming Central, Pymatuming North, Roaming Shores, and Cherry Valley. And potential rainfall, so we might see some flash flood watches in effect by tomorrow, according to the Weather Channel, and we'll have it on anything it's Crawford County. We'll be back. We'll probably be on tomorrow on the regular channel page, but we'll see what happens on the storm. All depends on the storm now too. So, but I'm gonna get off right now. And thanks for joining us here on the regular YouTube channel on YouTube. And we'll be back on with the next weather update. Maybe the severe thunderstorm warning around Western Crawford County or Eastern Crawford County too. So we'll see, or something. So we're going to get off right now, and we'll talk to you guys later. We'll talk to you guys on the next weather update. And thanks for joining us here on Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on YouTube. And we'll talk to you guys on the next weather update. Talk to you later.